what is that Sitecore, uh, how do you use those Sitecore, and also parallelly we are going to give training how to clear the Sitecore exam. Okay, Sitecore, if you go to the Sitecore portal, there are number of Sitecore exams are available: Sitecore developer, Sitecore admin portal. So we parallelly we are going to give the training to clear that Sitecore exams. We have some some dumps question from since the last 4 to 5 years Sitecore questions we have. So we can provide that hands-on practicing those things. Okay, then yeah, slowly we have to touch the configurations. This is the different modules provided by Sitecore. Once you strong with those things, you can start and you can develop your own websites by using that Sitecore. Okay, actually, if for example, for most of the companies, they are using that Sitecore to build their websites, like as a service based company, Infosys, Accenture, like Infinite and Capgemini, Mindtree, all those uh, all those major companies using that Sitecore to build to support and to build their websites. Okay, yeah, and I have experience worked on that Infosys and Accenture, those things. That's why I shared, and some real time scenario we are going to explain with you during the session. For example, you built your website by using that site code. Sometimes site will be crashed, sometimes site will be down. Okay, what is the next step? How to troubleshoot those things? Okay, how to check those logs. So by in during the demo session, during the training session, we are going to show what is the real time you are going to, what is the real problem you are facing. Those things we will share with you. Okay, and parallelly we are going to move that latest trend in Sitecore. Like before that, Sitecore is a you have to install your Sitecore in your own machine. Now there is headless architecture will come. Headless architecture means J. It's called JSS, Sitecore JSS. You don't need to install your Sitecore instance in your machines. That Sitecore will be hosted on some other machine. You just develop your code by using that AngularJS or RubyJS programming language, and you can integrate with your code with your CMS. That's the latest technology, and some of the companies are used this technology, like Mindtree and Capgemini, those things. Yeah. So here we are going to we are going to give make you strong and on the fundamental things. Like if you take the Sitecore, what is the fundamental means? The layout and the renderings. Renderings is nothing but it's a .cs file only. If I say in a .NET pattern, it's a .cs file. Okay, uh, how to create layout, renderings, templates, those things. Okay, sometimes maybe in your project you will be work on backend. Backend means you can create components, renderings, those things. Sometimes you will be work on front end. Front end means Sitecore instance part. Okay, uh, maybe parallelly we will train you as a admin, Sitecore admin. What is the job of the Sitecore admin? For example, if you are in Sitecore admin, you have to make sure that packaging, and you have to give some access to your clients, that users. You have to create roles, permissions, and sometimes you have to do unlock your item, uh, how to unlock the bunch of items. So many things will be covered in that Sitecore admin. You have to choose your career on both sides, like Sitecore admin or Sitecore developer. Okay, uh, in some companies, most of the maintenance project will be the Sitecore maintenance project. That time you have to be more strong in Sitecore admin things. Okay, like for example, if the site is down, no one is going to check the code. You have to focus on your front end things. What is causing that error? You have to take immediate action on the front end itself. Okay, because it doesn't need any build, means you don't need to your build your codes. Okay, so you have to be strong on psycho front end and the back end also. We have to make sure you have to be strong on both things. uh, for example, if you want to create the layout, you have to create the layout in back end and front end also. Backend means you have to create your, you have to done your code Studio. Once you done the Visual Studio, we will show how to integrate your Visual Studio with your Sitecore. Means you have to build and publish your code to your Sitecore instance. Okay, those things we will be giving training to you. Currently in my local, I have Sitecore 8.2. Mostly, I will provide the training session on that 8.2 only. We will planning to move on that Sitecore 9 and Sitecore 10. We don't have that license till now. I
Okay.
will plan to Sitecore 9 because we're going to give that training for the basic things. Basic means how to create templates. The uh, the in the back section you have to write some code, right? How to integrate those things won't be changed. Okay, I have worked from Psycho 6.5 to 9.1. Okay, the basic things
Okay.
is never. Okay,
Yeah, got it.
some feature
Understood.
they introduced, some feature like they introduced like the experience editor. Now they introduced some helix. One more editor is came. Okay, for editing that mobile and those things. So some features are coming to that new versions, but the basic things we have to be strong. Once you strong on your basic, we can go with any sidecore version. Okay,
Yep,
yeah,
got it.
in training session we will give we will give that Psycho 8.1. Okay, Psycho 8.2. Okay, most of the things will be covered. You don't worry about those versions and all, because once you, as I told earlier, once you strong the fundamentals, you can go with any Psycho version. For in real time, I took that training session from Sitecore 6.5. After that, I don't attend any Sitecore training session. Then I slowly moved and slowly develop our skill by go through that Sitecore portal. But still, sometimes we felt that concept will be loose. So again, I go to that some YouTube scenario and I strong with my fundamental things, because once you strong in your fundamental, you can go with any version. Okay, like yeah,
Yeah, you got it. No issue.
yeah, what I,
I have one more question. So will you cover the XDB and XConnect and few terms I have seen in the Google? So SXA.
yeah, if you are using that HDB Connect will be that Sitecore analytics things. Yeah, we will cover those things. For example, in your project, maybe you use email campaign manager. Email campaign means you are going to trigger some of the emails to your client. Okay, there is one feature in Sitecore. You can trigger your email messages to number of people. Okay, once you triggered the message, you can track those messages by using that analytics data. Okay, yeah, those things we will cover. Okay, how do we trigger your messages? How do we track whether the user is opened that message or those things will come under XDB and XConnect. But those things is very advanced topic, but we will touch with that like intermediate level. Okay, uh, if you're in our curriculum vitae, we don't have that, but there is one modules we have. In that experience marketing, we have see, right, campaigns, goals, personalization, X connect. So while we go with that experience marketing, definitely we will test that X connect and yeah, the analytics things we will connect. This is coming under our curriculum vitae. You don't worry about those things. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
And I also seen like a marketing and finance. So you will cover those modules also. Right?
Which one?
Marketing and finance. Some of the job requirements, like I have seen the finance and marketing and few other
Yeah,
things
it's
like
the
that.
experience marketing we have. Don't we don't have that finance marketing. You are asking about the e-commerce.
Yes, e-commerce and finance.
Oh no, we don't cover that e-commerce because it's a different products. Okay, Sitecore
Okay.
provided four kind of products. Sitecore, it means experience platform, experience XP, XM, experience content management, and e-commerce and content hub. They released four kind of products. Okay, mostly
Okay.
we are going to cover Sitecore XP and Sitecore XM. It's a experience manager and yeah, it's mostly on development side only. We are parallelly touch with development and front end also. Okay, you have to be more strong on both end. Then only you will be do the things. If there is any issue, you can go to debug easily. For example, like there is one web page is there. Okay, in the web page you want to do some YouTube videos or some other video components we have to add. Okay, for that
Okay.
we will tell how to add those component in backend, how to integrate with the Sitecore also. Yeah, we will touch both things.
And
Yeah,
one more doubt is whether it's sometimes one minute. Actually, there is any opportunities in India also, sir, for this. In India, there is any opportunities for
sorry, I
this
can't
side
get
for.
you. Hello.
Yes. No, no. India
Yes,
also
yes.
any opportunities for this job opportunities.
Explain Sitecore JSS, like how it is.
Yeah, Sitecore JS is one of the part. Okay, mostly we are going to cover Sitecore XP only. If you see, Sitecore JSS will be there. Uh,
Ex-
okay, first we will we will be
okay.
strong in the fundamentals, and it's a headless CMS, right? It's a Sitecore JSS. Yeah, we will teach those things also. Sitecore JSS also. It's also coming under that XP only.
Oh.
Uh, XP is one of the product. Okay. Yeah, Tim, do you have any more questions? Yeah, please go on.
So, Pranav, I need help with the setup actually, like Sitecore 9.1. So I'm
Okay.
trying to install it. See, whenever I work on the local, right? Every time I have to create a package and install it in my local and create the same instance, deploying the same code, whichever is in a internal or staging environment. We have to do that. So can you help me out with that? One-to-one session? Can we do that?
Today, I'm not. Maybe I will try on tomorrow. Okay. Yeah, I'm not understand fully your issues.
Yeah, not
You're
in a
trying
hurry
to.
mode. Like I'm asking you, can we do that?
Yeah, yeah, sure, no problem. In tomorrow,
Oh.
we will fix 30-minute session. I can help you to do that. Maybe I think you are working on your project in Sitecore project. You are working.
Yeah. I'm working in Sitecore XP.
Okay,
So
okay.
while setting up the local, right, every time when I deploy, like latest changes are deployed, right? I don't know how to set up the local back again in the same instance of staging environment. That is where I'm facing the issue. If we could
Okay,
help
okay,
in
understand.
that perspective, then it will be.
Yeah, yeah, no problem.
Yeah.
Uh, are you using that Sitecore Rags or your Sitecore Rags is your own tool for developing those things? Okay, no problem.
Mm, yeah. What I
We
am
will.
using is okay.
Yeah, please go on. Yeah, yeah, please
Okay.
go on. No problem.
So we are using GitHub actually, Bitbucket to as a code repository, and we are just manually deploying the files. So
You are using
using
Azure.
FTP protocols. So yeah, Azure is the environment which we use. Yeah.
Okay, okay, no problem. Yeah, we will set up call tomorrow. We will start it out. It's what. Okay.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Yes. Let's continue that same topic. Yeah, we will cover mostly we will cover the Sitecore SP products. There is a little bit of the difference between Sitecore XP and XM. I think SP they will have that experience marketing. For XM, XM means experience management. You will know how to that experience editor means uh, you are going to act as a one content author. Okay, in mostly if you go to your Sitecore projects, some people will assign that content authors. What will content authors will do? They will say, simply sorry, excuse me. Yeah, they will simply update their contents and publishing those things. Okay, they will be strong in that admin mode. Okay, I just want to show some quick things. This is the Sitecore login window. Hope you already know about these things. Hope everyone already have that Sitecore experience. I think little bit. Yeah, correct. I think some of the people told, yeah, I worked on that Sitecore
Yep.
projects. Maybe, my local will be a little bit slow now. Just now I restarted my machine. Uh, Pardon for that. Okay. This is the Sitecore Launchpad. Okay, here we are going to cover all those things like that experience editor, user manager, security editor, this access management we will cover, and the content editing. Okay, and that marketing applications also. Okay, uh, you have to be in strong in your Visual Studio Code and all, because uh, you already know about the C# code. Once we come up with Sitecore, right? Sitecore provided some of the API, how to get, how to read those items from Sitecore, how to read child items, how to read the fields. Okay, those things are available. You have to be slowly explore more on that Sitecore code, Sitecore syntax, Sitecore syntax, those things. Okay, uh, I just clicking that desktop version. Hope you already have that. If you are going to install the Sitecore, right, you have to be Visual Studio and the SQL database and the Sitecore instance with the valid license. Okay, without a license, we can't install Sitecore machine on your Sitecore instance on your machine. Okay, previously earlier, you can get that Sitecore license. They provided some trial version. They provided Sitecore trial version, but now they stopped to provide those things. Once you completed your Sitecore developer certificate, they will provide that Sitecore. They will provide the license key. Using that license key, you can install and you can install that Sitecore on your local, and you can develop your codes. You can maybe do the practice. Okay. For now, uh, they are not providing that Sitecore for free trial version. Okay, I completed a Sitecore 9 certification, so I have my one license, and I installed those things. My Sitecore in my local. Okay. This is the Sitecore window. Once you log in, once you choose the desktop, this is the desktop mode. So there are number of modes are available. Content editor and experience editor. I am always prefer the desktop mode because it has more number of feature inside. Okay, you can see how to package that security things. All so more number of features are available in that desktop version itself. Okay. uh, yeah, here we are going to, once you click that content editor, you can see the number of items in Sitecore. Each and everything we are going to call as a item. Okay, all those things are we are going to call as item. Item has item ID and item name. You can refer the item ID and item, you can refer the item by item ID or item name. Okay, item name is not a unique one. You can provide the same name for different items, but item ID, right, it's a unique one. Do you want to ask?
No, sir. Actually, we are completely non-technical guys. Myself and Vera Reddy. Actually, we
Oh,
work for and one of my friend supposed to, one of my our friends suggest to us learn Sitecore. So just we are thinking what we are non-technical, whether we are suitable or not. That is the main question, sir. That's it.
okay, I
Don't
understand.
have much
What
question.
is your background? Actually, you are from
I did my
engineering.
MBA. He did his diploma in computer science engineering, and he's also done his post graduation MBA. We both were MBA graduates, sir. But he has a little bit background computer science engineering
Okay,
diploma only.
MBA. Okay, okay.
MBA, sir.
You, yeah. you can be you will be strong on sitecore admin work. Okay, you will be on you will become as a content author or content author or sitecore admin you can do. But I'm not sure how you guys are familiar with the backend, the like C sharp code, those things. I'm not sure, but yeah, if you want to learn Sitecore, but yeah, you can learn, but you will be stronger on Sitecore front end. Okay, in front end also so many jobs openings are there. Okay, if you go to Naukri, you
Okay.
can search Sitecore content author. There will be number of things,
Uh,
but if you choose content author, if you want to be admin, you have to be strong. You have to be more strong on your that Sitecore fundamental things like you
okay.
can choose your maintenance project in IT company also. Okay. Actually,
Acha, acha.
I can refer you guys once you will be strong, right? I am working on company, and yes, you can share your resume once you finish the course.
Shit.
I am also on the interview panel. Okay, well, let me do
Oh, that's
what
great.
I can. Okay, okay, no problem.
Yeah.
Though yes, once you
So,
started the site course,
before going to learn the Sitecore, we want to learn any Python or C, C++, anything, because we don't have. I don't have any knowledge about the any coding language. If you suggest, I can learn for 1 or 2 hours per day for building my career in Sitecore. So, what do you suggest in this? What basics we have to learn, understand more about the Sitecore?
yeah, understand your question. Sitecore is a tool. Using the tool, you are going to create websites. Okay. For creating the websites,
Yes,
you
yes, sir.
have to be strong on HTML, CSS, JS, and C sharp. Okay. Leave that C sharp thing, but
Okay,
you have to be strong on HTML, CSS, JS. Okay. JavaScript means Java, jQuery, CSS, and HTML. Those things are very important to
okay.
know about Sitecore. Okay. I will prefer. There is a number of
Oh,
portals available. You go and do HTML, CSS, those things. Okay. Yeah.
okay, sir. Thank you.
Thanks,
That's it.
Ramakrishna. Thanks for contribution. Okay. Like if you have that Sitecore instance on your machines, right, it will be very helpful to me to give some more hands-on experience. Some people will come, okay, they don't have that Sitecore instance on their machines. For those people, I spend 10 to 20 minutes. I will share my screen and I will provide my screening answers. So they will do so they will do some hands-on, okay, by screen sharing. Okay, this type of things I crossed. That's why I am telling to you. There is one more feature there is one more opportunity we provided. If you don't have Sitecore instance on your machine, let me know so that after the ending the session, each session, I will share my screen. We can do your practice. Okay. But I recommend, it would be great to have Sitecore on your local, because whenever I trying to teach something, do some KT session, right? You can parallelly work on those things, and mm, once you do the hands-on, right, then only more number of questions will be arise. So you can ask question and you will be get clarified. That is the process we are going on. Okay, we are following the process.
You know, like if you want to buy the license, like how much it will
Yeah. Sorry. Hello,
if
Nanda.
you want
You
to buy
asked
the
for something.
license?
I can't hear you. I can't hear you properly. Sorry.
No, Pranav, like I'm asking, like if you want to buy the license, like how much it costs?
It's more. Uh, if you complete our Sitecore developer certificate, it's $400, $350. I think you know, right, $1 $75. Just calculate, bro. I think 25 to 30,000, maybe 40. 250 $350, bro. Okay.
Okay.
Once you completed the certificate, they will provide the Sitecore license. But in organization, right, in your project, in your company, they will purchase some license. That is a more number of cost. We can't afford those things, but we can. try to afford some psycho developing that $350 things. For that, you have to complete the Sitecore certification. Yeah, yeah, team, please shoot your questions so that we can. So I will know more about you.
What is the duration for that completion date?
Sorry,
What is the duration of the course completion?
it's 30 to 31 hours. It's depends on your availability. We will provide 1 hour per day, but sometimes Saturday Sunday session also there. Based on your availability, we will group the peoples and provide the trainings. Totally
Yeah,
it
hello,
will
sir.
be
Good evening,
30
sir.
hours. Yeah, please. Yeah,
Yes,
tell me,
sir.
Ambalas.
Why we go Sitecore, sir, instead of plain.net?
See, plain.net, you have the thing is, so why Sitecore is come to our picture. The
Yeah,
non-technical
yeah.
users also develop their websites. Okay, for one of the our
Okay.
team member asked, right, Ram Krishna, they told, I am a non-technical person, how can I relate code with Sitecore? Sitecore provide the feature
Just-
to build the website. Build the non-technical users can build those websites. If you go with the .NET person, you have to be more strong on your .NET skill. Okay, the .cs, the backend code, you have to be more strong. If you go with Sitecore, you don't care about your backend code. Backend code, some features are already available. You just want to know how to use those features. Okay, using the
Yeah, okay.
features you can develop your websites. Okay, it's created for content management. Content management means what? Content author. Sometimes in company, that company owner, right, the site owner doesn't know about the .NET skill, but if they want to edit their content, they can go to the Sitecore portal and they can simply edit those content. Okay, they don't want to approach for each and every change. They don't want to approach the developer for each and a little bit of changes. They can easily edit those contents. Okay, Sitecore is
Yeah,
for
yeah. Okay, sir.
non-technical users. Yeah.
Okay. And sir, how their content is managed in Sitecore?
How content is managing in Sitecore?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah, yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, for example, you are the site owner, right? You have some subordinates, you have that some employee you have. Okay, that employee will, they are non-technical users. They can edit those contents. Once they edit, they will uh, ask the approval for you. Okay, in the site code there is a workflow will be there. Okay, once edit, they can ask approval for that higher management. That higher management will review the content. They will approve, then only they can publish the content to live. Okay, this is
Yeah,
there
okay,
are
sir.
some databases will be there. Master web. Okay, content author will edit the content in master. Once they edit the content, they will publish to web database. Web database nothing but it's a production database. Okay, so before moving
Okay.
to that production database, there is lots of approval will be there. Okay, this is how
Yeah, okay,
content
sir. Thank
author
you.
works.
Yeah, yeah. Thanks, sir.
Thank you, Ambalas. Thank you for your query. Yeah, team. Actually, I just the demo session purpose is I just want to know how many people it's a technical, non-technical persons. What is your actually that programming language background? Based on that, we will take the decision and we will maybe we will modify our strategy to understand the skills to you better. The things are I am pretty sure I can get some idea now. I got some idea now. If you have any questions, please let me know.